MercadoLibre stock is up 60% over the past 5 years, and today I'm breaking down whether the run can continue. I'll walk through the fundamentals and then run my DCF to estimate the intrinsic value and potential returns. First, growth. Revenue exploded from about $651 million in 2015 to roughly $24 billion today, and analysts still see runway ahead. $28 billion this year and about $60 billion by 2029. Their profit has also seen a lot of growth, especially since they turned profitable in 2021, and it is currently at $2 billion. But one thing that I really like about MercadoLibre is that they have even more free cash flow, and it is currently at $7 billion. They also have amazing margins, as their gross margin is around 50% and free cash flow margin at around 30%. Now, MercadoLibre is not only the e-commerce of Latin America, they also have a fintech business, and both of these segments have seen massive growth. And regarding revenue by geography, they have been growing revenue in all their areas, which are Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, and other countries. Then, in order to calculate the intrinsic value of the company, I use my Google Sheet. This tells me what returns I would get on my investment if I decide to invest in the stock today. I did a 7-year analysis with low, middle, and high assumptions, and according to my low case, I would get a 12.5% annual return on your money, middle 22.5%, and high 32.3%. So these returns are truly amazing, as I would beat the market. Now, as far as my assumptions, I assume they grow revenue between 12 and 20% over the next 7 years. They average a profit margin and free cash flow margin between 20 and 30%, and I assign the P/E and price to free cash flow at the end of the 7 years of 16, 18, and 20. But if you want to make your own assumptions, I'm going to leave a link to the spreadsheet down below. It is super simple to use because I've done all the calculations in the background, so you only need to input your assumptions. Moreover, MercadoLibre has a good balance sheet with $4 billion in cash and $9 billion in debt, which is very little for a company that has a market cap of over $100 billion. The only risk that I see is Amazon as a competitor, but they have been competing against them for 10 years and still have had amazing growth. In conclusion, I believe MercadoLibre is a company with amazing fundamentals, trading at an attractive valuation and with a lot of upside potential. Lastly, if you want to use my discount code on stockanalysis.com, which is the best site I found for stock data, grab my code in the description. I hope you found this video valuable. Let me know what you think about MercadoLibre stock in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.